Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Algorand. So Algorand, also a cryptocurrency that I haven't covered for a long time. So it's time for an update. Algorand here also created a first larger impulsive wave up, peaked in November 21, similar to Bitcoin, and then came down in a WXY corrective pattern as part of this wave 2. Is currently not too bullish, in my opinion. You know, we have come down, we're basically doing what we need to be doing in such a wave 2. So in the wave 2, again, WXY pattern, and we are now in the Y wave, in my opinion. And in this Y wave, we've got an ABC, and within that, we are in the last wave, in the C wave, and also here in the C wave. You know, the potential is there. We could have completed the C wave, which means we could have completed here 5 waves down, as you can see here, yeah, in yellow. That would also have completed then the C wave and the Y wave and the larger wave 2. But it's not guaranteed yet, yeah, especially as Algorand's price action has been super weak. So let me take that out, but it has been super weak since the low, and there is currently no evidence that the low is in. We can count 5 waves down as complete, and that could, or that does justify, or at least it fulfills the requirements also on the shorter time frame that the low is in, yeah, because we obviously have waves within waves and so on. And here within the wave C, we can count 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which, however, doesn't tell it. You know, it could be that all of this here was just a larger wave 1, for example. Now we are going to see a wave 2, then a wave 3 down, a wave 4 up, and a wave 5 down. Obviously, we're not going to go below 0. But the thing is that Algorand has not yet really delivered any substantial price increase since the low. Yeah, here from the 18th of June. I mean, we've really only moved up like 30% or something. That is not convincing. Other cryptos, what did we have? Matic, I think, delivered 100%. Here, Algorand only like 30 to 32%. That is not enough. Especially if you look at the chart here, this move up was corrective and it looked exactly the same. So, and after that we dumped, yeah. So what would be important now, and I believe I told you in the previous video, that we need to get here above this 35-cent level. That is the previous swing low here, and this was support before, now resistance. We need to break it and flip it for support. That is so important, yeah, we need to do it. At the moment, Algorand doesn't do it. It was rejected here, in fact, and is now going down further. And this is the level where this is the absolute minimum to continue to move up here, to go above that level. And even better would be, and better confirmation for the beginning of an uptrend would be a break above here, the 41-cent level. Then, however, if we do that, we also have to go above the 50-day moving average that you can see here in yellow, coming down very strongly, currently located at 38.8 cents. So let's just summarize the key resistance level lying ahead of us to really, that we need to get through, because at the moment, you know, there is high risk. So this resistance at 35 cents, we need to get above that. Then here, the 50-day moving average just coming down very strongly. A dynamic level here at 39 cents. Need to get above that. And then even better here would be that 42-cent level of that wave 4. If we go to the 1-hour chart, there's basically 2 options here. One option is that, yes, wave 5 is complete and we are working already on a breakout. I have to tell you, however, though, this possible breakout here looks extremely weak. Yeah, I mean, you could count this as a first wave up, again, like on some of the other crypto charts, then a wave 2 down, then another wave 1 up here, yeah, but then also another wave 2 down. That is nearly already at the previous swing low. So if we go a little bit below that, so that means we have to, if we go below 31 cents, that will invalidate that one, and then it will probably mean that yeah, I think that would then at least point more towards the possibility that we actually, in fact, really are going to roll over here and will make at least one more swing low here compared to that wave 5 low of 28 cents. Because if as soon as you go below this swing low, there isn't much more support, then you're probably going to come down to that swing low at 27, 28 cents. And if you go below it, then any kind of breakout that we tried here has then been invalidated as well. So it is very early days in a possible uptrend, But honestly, if I zoom out, I wouldn't be surprised at all if we come down even lower once more. And key support levels down there, if we make lower lows, I sketched them already on the chart here, 22 cents and then 10 cents. These are the key levels that Algorand could get down to should it make another lower low, so should it break below 28 cents. For now, the possible or the price increase that happened so far is not convincing for me. Yeah, it is looking too corrective, which means the move down will probably be impulsive. So at the moment, not convinced yet that here the overall downtrend is over. You know, it will probably change. It would change. I would change my view here if we see more significant price action above that 42 cent level, that previous wave 4 high, because that would then at least invalidate quite a likely bearish option, and would be a first step towards higher prices. Okay, and that is my view about Algorand. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.